Now, please tell me what is the degree you studied and which year
Sir,
did you pass out the
sir,
degree?
I studied civil engineering. I'm 2019 year passed out.
After that, have you been preparing for exams or working?
Yes, sir. I took a online coaching for bank exams for 1 year.
Mm,
So later I'm giving exams, bank exams.
Very good. You are from which part of Karnataka?
Sir, right now I'm staying in Bangalore. But basically I basically from Tiptur, Karnataka, sir.
What is the name of the place? Tiptur.
Tiptur.
Acha, first time I'm hearing.
Like Tumkur district, sir. It
Tumkur.
belongs to Tumkur district.
Acha. Tiptur and Tumkur district.
Tiptur
People.
is a taluk
uh,
and Tumkur is a district, sir.
oh. So in your taluka, what are the crops grown by farmers?
Sir, ragi is the main crop, and and also coconut is famous in our place.
Good.
Cultivation of coconut.
You are a civil engineering graduate.
Yes,
So
sir.
have you tried for jobs in your field? Why are you coming to banking? That too as a clerk.
Sir, actually, like after I finished my civil engineering, I did a software course for civil engineering also. I like at that time only I did not have any interest to continue my career in civil field because I took it as a passion. Right now also I'm doing AutoCAD like just for a hobby, and I like to continue like start my career in banking field, sir.
This question you are not able to answer properly. Can you because you are mixing too many things. Tell me what after studying civil engineering, why did you choose civil? After studying civil, why are you not getting job in that? Please tell.
Why I choose civil engineering because like it was my drastic decision, like crucial decision I made, and like before making a choice, I had a lot of thoughts. Like in this field, I had a flexibility, and so and I got I'll get a lot of opportunity to work in government sector also. But at last, nothing works, so I moved for banking exams. At that time I faced during COVID-19, I couldn't get enough opportunities in my field, so I moved for banking sector field, sir.
Good. So what is your father?
My father is a farmer.
Acha, what are the crops grown by him?
Ragi is a main crop, and like araku, like we recently planted araku also.
Acha, very good. Ragi crop, how long it takes for it to give yields?
We will grow all the grains also, sir, like green gram, like seasonal crops also. We have that
Very good.
habit of.
Your father has account in which bank?
He has an account in Karnataka Bank, sir.
Good. You have account in which bank?
Sir, I have an account in Federal Bank, sir.
One is Karnataka, another is federal. That's right. So, what is the similarity between among these three banks, Karnataka Bank, South Indian Bank, and Federal Bank? What is
All are private sector banks, scheduled private sector banks.
very good? Why do you say scheduled? What is scheduled commercial bank?
Scheduled is the banks which comes under which included in second schedule of Banking Regulation Act 1934.
1949.
30, 34, sir.
No. RBI Act 1934. Yeah, you should tell it is
Okay.
RBI Act. If you say Banking
Yes.
Regulation Act, it is 1949. Very good.
Okay.
That's right. Is there any minister in Karnataka cabinet from Tumkur district?
Actually, like Chief Minister of Karnataka belongs to Belgaum, like Uttar Karnataka district.
Mm.
Like from Tumkur, I think we don't have any
Yeah,
cabinet.
please check it up. Tumkur, who
Yeah,
is
sir.
the
Like from Tumkur, from Tiptur district only, we have a, education minister, sir. BC
mm,
Nagesh.
you should tell like that. Very good.
Okay.
So please get to know about MP, MLA, and
Okay.
important people in your district,
Okay,
and
sir.
also go through Karnataka state government website to know
Okay.
about that. Good, very good.
Okay.
Can you tell me about the scheme that is done for the sake of farmers by central government or state government?
Yes, sir. There is a Pradhana Mantri Kisan Yojana is there. Like it is a central government sponsored scheme, and it was introduced in 2018. The main aim of the scheme is to give a minimum amount for a farmers in order to help poor farmers and their families. They are providing income of 6,000 rupees per year in three installments, like 2,000 for every 4 months.
Good, very good. You must also know about other schemes like Pradhan Mantri
Yes,
Fasal
sir.
Bima Yojana,
Fasal Bima Yojana. Yes, sir.
then about so many other schemes, a soil card scheme, like
Uh,
that. Okay, you
okay.
please get to know and go through the budget also to know what is happening. Acha,
Okay,
now
sir.
you seem to be knowing very well. Now, please tell me what is meant by debit card.
Okay. Like debit card, it is issued by a bank, and here we the amount will immediately deducted from our account, and also will proceed that transaction through ATM by using debit card,
Mm.
and
Okay,
like
but here your answer should have been a debit card is issued when an account is opened in a bank
yes,
and
sir.
it has 16 digits and there is name is written, the bank's name is also given, and month and year of expiry will be given. On the back you have
Okay, sir.
CVV, card verification value. This
Value.
card is used in ATMs and can also be used for purchasing commodities in shops
Yes,
and
sir.
also online.
Okay, sir.
Good.
Like, sir.
Do you think you will fit into job as a clerk?
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me why? Oh,
Sir, actually, I'm a good I'll have a good communication skill. I'll nicely talk with the people, and also I have a good listening power, so that I can listen what the customer need, and according to their customer needs, I'll provide the services. And also, being a clerk, patience is also very important. And according to the customers, patient, like what they'll ask, I'll understand the needs, and also according to their needs I'll provide the services. And I have a that's it, sir. Like,
yeah. You have hereafter in you will talk in Kannada. What are the languages you know?
so I know Kannada, English, I can speak Telugu.
Hmm. Acha, can you
uh,
read and write Telugu?
no, sir, I can only speak Telugu. I can understand, I can speak also.
Acha. Now you talk to me in Kannada only.
Okay, sir.
Um, please explain about the demat account to a customer about in Kannada. What is a demat account? Tell him.
Okay, ಡಿಮ್ಯಾಟ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಲೈಕ್ ದ ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೋ ಅದು ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನಿಕ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಲೈಕ್ ವಿ ನೋ ನೀಡ್, ಲೈಕ್ ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. ಲೈಕ್ ನಾವು ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನಿಕ್ ಮುಖಾಂತರ, ಅದು
No, no,
ನಮ್
no, no.
ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್
I,
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದು
I
ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನಿಕ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ.
no, no, no. You are not giving to tell me, but you tell me this in Kannada. I will tell you.
Okay.
Demat account is an account that is used for purchasing and selling shares,
Okay,
and
sir.
the shares are kept in electronic form.
Yes, sir.
Please tell that in Kannada.
ಡಿಮ್ಯಾಟ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ನ ನಾವು ಇದು ಶೇರ್ಸ್ ನ ಸೆಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ. ಅಂಡ್ ಅದು ಇನ್ ದ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನಿಕ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ.
ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಕಾದು, ಶೇರ್ಸ್.
ಆ
ಶೇರ್ಸ್
ಶೇರ್ಸ್
ಆರ್ ಮೇನ್
ಆ ಶೇರ್ಸ್ ನಾವು ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನಿಕ್
electronic
ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ
maintained. Very good.
maintain.
Excellent. You told nicely. Yeah. Can you recollect about, say, how many siblings you have, Rashmita? I think you are married.
Yes, sir.
Acha, good. Do you have kids?
No, sir. I recently got married 4 months back, sir.
Oh, what is your husband?
Husband is working as a software engineer
In
in
which
Siemens
company?
company. Siemens
Siemens.
Health. Okay, sir.
Okay, good, good. So, what is the timings of his work? Is he working from home or is he
Yes,
going?
sir. He is now weekly 3 days he have work from office. The other 2 days will be in work from home, sir.
Do you think work from home is good or bad?
Like according to me, it is good because like they can spend with their like family also. They can give time to our family also. Like they can manage both the things if anything like in risk situation in their family, so they can engage both the things, like they can along with their work they can do other work also in home.
No, don't say like that. You can't be doing other works. You say
And
like
like
this.
in their free
No,
time
no.
they can.
Yeah, you say that work from home gives more opportunity for employees to stay with their family members
Family, yes, sir.
and also saves time in traveling from home to office and
Yes.
return. How far is his office from your home?
Like only 1 kilometer, sir.
1 kilometer only.
Yes, sir.
Do Siemens, do they have office in Tiptur?
No, sir. Like we currently I'm staying in Bangalore, sir. We're staying in
Acha,
Bangalore.
acha. Now you are in Bengaluru. Okay,
Yes, sir.
that is right. That's right. So only 1 kilometer from your house. That is
Yes,
okay.
sir.
Then not much of a travel time and all that.
Sir.
Good. Not
Yes,
much
sir.
of a travel time. Good. Now answer
Yeah.
me in Kannada only.
Mm.
What do you know about South Indian Bank?
I South Indian Bank. Sir, can I speak in English?
Yeah, you want English only means you talk in English. No problem.
Yes. South Indian Bank is one of the leading private sector bank, and also it is the first private sector bank in Kerala got scheduled status. Also, it was established in 1929, and it has 923 branches all over India, and 1,135 ATMs are there all over India. And in our Karnataka, there are 61 branches are there, and in South Indian Bank, they are providing enough put like banking services to the customers also, and they contributed to the like society also, like corporate social responsibility, like they hand over two electric vehicles to Jubilee Hospital also, and they are giving scholarship for matric students also, and they provided furniture facilities to the regional cancer hospital in Kerala, and also it recently got there are so many awards, and the one of the award is it got Asian Banking Website Award from uh, Asian Banking, and also it is the first private sector bank. It is having a currency just on behalf of RBI, and also it is the first private sector bank opened that NRI banking, sir.
Please tell me about the financial details of our South Indian Bank. Like what is the total deposits, total advances as
Yes,
on
sir.
31st December?
Like the total profit is 102.8 lakh crore, and capital is I couldn't able to recall, sir.
Why
Sorry, sir.
suddenly forgotten? I think
Yes, sir.
yesterday I posted a
That balance,
video. Yesterday I posted a video also. You remember?
yes, sir.
Uh,
Like I got confused that values, sir. Like,
no, no. Now I think I told you in the class we were discussing in lakhs, whereas in the figure they are giving it as crores. So let us
yes, sir.
take crores. This is what I
Yes,
said.
okay, sir.
Mm, this this not in
Sir,
not in
I'll,
this not in this one. One
okay.
minute. One more video I posted, live video, I
Sir,
think
actually,
so.
I noted the points also. Like I'm not,
Mm, yeah.
okay. I couldn't able to recall that.
Uh, 1 minute. This is the thing. Just a minute.
Okay, sir.
Recording. Sharing screen. Share screen. Share sound also. Good morning, candidates. Good morning. This is regarding South Indian Bank. Today in the class, a candidate wanted, say, the details of deposits, advances of South Indian Bank to be told in the interview. So I thought I should tell you about it. I am just in the press release. I'm just in the press release of South Indian Bank for the quarter and yeah. So could you see this? I think like this you can always go through that and get to know the figures. You must know the figures and you must be able to tell me about the different products. Now tell me what are the deposit products they have. Ashmita,
Yes,
you
sir.
can answer in English or Kannada. Please tell me.
Okay, sir. So there are different deposits like savings account, current account. In savings account also there are particularly for particular persons there are different accounts. Like for women's there is a saving account called SIB Women Delight, and also for kids like SIB Junior is also there, and for senior citizens SIB um, Senior Elite is also there, and for corporate for salaried
Listen, listen, if you don't remember the name,
okay.
you can tell them Southern I mean, Bank has got different types of savings accounts with special features in for women, for kids, for senior citizens separately.
Okay, sir.
Okay, and like
Okay,
that
sir.
you can tell. Now, please tell me what is the difference between fixed deposit and savings bank account?
Yeah. Like for savings bank account, it is suitable for an individual or a salaried person who have their income. So in like savings account, we have to maintain a minimum balance in that savings account. And in this savings account, there is no particular period of time is also there is no fixed time is not there in savings account. And also in savings account, there is a fixed number of withdrawals will be there. But when it comes to fixed deposit, it's like a lump sum amount can be like deposited in a bank at one time. So and also there is a fixed time period also will be there, like 7 days to 10 years. Like you have to keep that amount in within like you have to keep that amount for that fixed time. If you want to withdraw within that maturity period, the bank may put penalty for that
No,
charges.
no, it is
Uh,
okay. Okay, but you have to use keywords. First
okay,
and foremost thing point you should say is savings bank is a demand deposit. Fixed deposit is a time deposit. You should tell specifically, then people will know that demand means money is withdrawable on
at
demand,
any
whereas
time.
time deposits
Okay.
after a lapse of some time. That is how
Okay.
you should. You must always use keywords or
Okay.
important words while answering questions. Please
Okay.
tell me what all you know about RBI.
RBI RBI is a central bank and it is also a bankers bank. It regulates all the banks all over the India. And also the main functions of RBI is it is responsible for printing the currency, and it is responsible for like supply of money also. And it is like the main functions of RBI are like a foreign exchange policy. And sir, I got nervous, sir. Like,
Why nervous? Hello, you
it was
should
my
not
first
get
exam.
nervous. No, you must practice talking like this so that you don't get nervous. See, but you started off nicely, but then immediately you said RBI is printing. No, no, RBI is not printing. RBI is vested with authority for note issuing
Yes,
only.
sir. Bank
They are not
like
printing authority. Printing separate press is there.
it regulates that authority.
Yeah, I think I must have told in the class many times. Anyhow, let us see
Bank,
that. Yeah.
Reserve Bank.
No, no. First and foremost thing you should say is bank. Reserve Bank is bankers' bank. Bankers to government, note issuing authority, then foreign exchange control, and monetary policy controlling authority. Understand?
Okay,
Five
sir.
points. Very good.
Okay.
Now, please tell me what is the present repo rate?
6.5%.
What is the present bank rate?
6.25%.
Bank rate
6.25%, sir.
7.5.
6.25, 75, sir.
7.5. 6,
Okay.
6.25 is standing deposit facility rate, wherein banks keep their surplus funds with the Reserve Bank of India.
Okay, sir.
Oh, whereas bank rate is 6.75%, the rate at which banks borrow from Reserve Bank of India. And there is one more facility known as MSF facility. What is the rate? Interest rate?
Marginal standing facility.
That is also how much? 6.75%.
75%.
Now the question is why there is need for bank rate and MSF? Why there is need for both bank rate and MSF? MSF is used for emergency funds like
Yes, sir.
overnight
Like overnight. Yes, sir.
balances. Very good. Who is the governor of our Reserve Bank?
Shakti Kandas.
Good.
Shaktikanth Das.
Yeah. Now, Rashmita,
Sir.
please tell me who is the finance minister of Karnataka?
Sir, Basuraj Bommai only, like chief minister
Good.
only.
Acha, acha, same person. Good. Can
Same
you
person.
name can you name four union ministers' names and tell their ministries also?
Sir, like central bank, like
No, no, no.
central government.
Yeah, union government or
Okay.
central government.
Yes, sir. Like Defense Minister Rajnath Singh, Home
Hmm,
Minister Amit Shah,
hmm,
Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman,
hmm.
and Sports Minister Anurag Thakur.
Can you name the president of India,
Yes, sir. Draupadi Murmu,
vice president,
uh, Jagdeep Dhankar,
governor of Karnataka?
sir, Tawar Chand Gehlot,
Where is the headquarters of South Indian Bank?
Thrissur, Kerala, sir.
What is the name of subsidiary small finance bank, subsidiary of South Indian Bank?
Sir, I didn't get that question.
Subsidiary of small finance banks, small ESOF small finance bank, ESAF,
Okay.
ESAF.
EF.
Who is the MD and CEO of South Indian Bank?
Murali Ramakrishnan.
Who is the chairman?
Chairman is Samir Gangadharan.
Good, very good. Can you name um, tourist spots in your district?
Yes, sir. Like in Tumkur district, we have Namachilime. It was an ancient place, where like in that we had like a small hole. In that, every time it will never get dry, and
Hmm,
it always have a water. that is one of the ancient place, that is Namachilame, and also we Raya Durga, that is a so called
Mm. And actually,
temples.
in such questions, what you should do,
Okay,
you should first
okay,
tell about tourist spots like visiting places, and then
okay.
also about temples and
Their
about
history.
yeah, some other
Okay,
you should mix up and then tell.
okay,
Otherwise, you told nicely. Now you are a civil engineer. You are in Bengaluru. What are the big projects going on in Bengaluru? Civil
okay.
projects.
So
சொல்லு
like metro project is going on.
மாடியில இருக்கா
Like
மாடியில இருக்கா
in our
ஒரு
city only, we are living in civil electronic city phase 2.
பண்ணிடுவா
So
பண்ணிடுவா
like
ஆமா
here
ஆமா
the
அவர் பண்ணி
metro
சதீஷ் பண்ணிடுவா
construction is still going on.
நான் பண்ணிட்டு சொல்றேன் சரி சரி ஓகே